Gangnam Style.
So kung sino man po ang mga ka-opisina ni Jason, sa Lunes, huwag sana mawala ng respeto. That was great, man. Kathy and Jason, you look good together. You're a beautiful couple. Please welcome all your dear guests.
Busy kami. Ang marang dyan.
Salamat sa pagdating sa big day. Salamat na maraming kasi nakasama kayo sa kasiyahan namin.
Salamat sa mga dumating, sumakante, pero pumunta ko yung video. Maraming salamat.
Sabi niya, tuloy po kayo, palakpakan na natin Jason and Kathy. Their production number only means, guys, you have to stay for the rest of the afternoon, okay? So before we have our early dinner and before we say our prayer, let's get the key to officially open our buffet table. So I need one chair.